Welcome to the Docyt Android app. Let's explore the main features available on your home screen. First, we have the Tasks icon. Here, you get a concise overview of immediate action items. Review flagged transactions, invoices, and receipts. Respond to document upload requests. Merge duplicate vendors. Address disconnected bank or credit card accounts. Next, the dashboard provides essential business metrics, giving you a complete overview of your company's performance. In the Recent section, you'll find documents you recently uploaded using the camera icon. This includes invoices, receipts, bank transactions, and other documents in the business mailroom. Tap the purple camera icon to access various features. In the mailroom, you can send important documents like bank and credit card statements, payroll reports, loan statements, and more. Upload your accounts payable invoices with the /P invoice feature. Capture and upload corporate credit card receipts using the business receipt feature. Submit expenses for reimbursement with the expense receipt feature. The three-line icon at the top left of the main screen leads to the services menu. The mailroom helps you send documents to your account managers. In banking accounts, you can efficiently access and view transactions. The Revenue Center allows you to track deposits and capture revenue. Access various business reports from the Business Reports menu. Manage financial institution accounts through Financial Connections. In Accounts Payable, access the invoice queue, check register, payment rules, and more. The Reconciliation Center helps you manage your reconciliations. In the Receipt box, view your receipts and merchants. View and submit expense reports for reimbursements in the Expense Reports section. And there you have it. You now have an overview of the options available in the Docyt Android app. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.